Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Friday, the 17th of April. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let us have a look at what's happened in yesterday's market. We'll start off locally where we had our employment change and our unemployment rate figures come out. Now, surprisingly, those numbers came in far better than expected, with 5,900 new jobs actually created in March and the unemployment at 5.2%. Now, both of these were better than forecasted, which was minus 33,000 jobs and 5.4 unemployment. Respectively. Now, however, it is important to note that yesterday's data does show only some of the early impact of the COVID-19 on the Australian labour market for March, but any major impact from the COVID-19 situation will be evident in April's data. So a little bit too early to read into that, but it was surprising figures. Aussie dollar did jump a little at that news release, only to give it back later in the day, but as I see this morning, it's having a little bit of a recovery again and pushing forward right now. Alright, from the US we saw the unemployment claims coming better than forecasted. The number came in at 5.245 million claims compared to the forecasted of 5.35 million. US dollar yesterday had softer gains across the market. That was pretty much all that happened yesterday in terms of data. So let's have a look at our chart of the day, and the chart that I found for us this morning of interest it's the US Swiss on a 4-hour time frame. Now this one actually looks really nice. It's a really nice compressed wedge, or a triangle as we want to call it. We can clearly see that on the top side we've had 1, 2, we are there right now for a third touch, whilst at the bottom we've had 1 and 2. Typically with these types of patterns, what you may expect is for them to compress down until finally they break, and the break could be in either direction. So let's wait and see. What I typically try to do with these, on the fringes, I like to trade it all the way back across to the other side, like over here back to there. But this is not quite a reversal pattern. Those candle formations, it's not quite exactly what we're looking for, so I don't really have a specific setup there at the moment. I do prefer to have a set pattern already locked in, like a reversal pattern already there. I don't have it right now, so I'm not looking at this particular case there, but from this pattern, it is the best one that I can find today. What I will look for the break. Like if you get the big breaking candle on either side like this could indicate that movement in that direction. Alright, so there you have it. This morning's chart of the day is the US Swiss on a 4-hour time frame. Being Friday, there's actually no major news coming out today, so that pretty much wraps up for us this morning. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you on Monday for the daily call. Bye for now.